Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. Okay, today we are going to discuss about our third chapter, Chennai. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Are you? Yes, ready. Chennai. Chennai, earliest called is Madras. Chennai, earliest called it Madras. Do you know Madras? You heard about it, Madras. Yes, not Madrasa, Madras. Okay, that's a place. Earliest called in Chennai, Madras. And this is the fourth largest city in India. Yes, Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. Got it? Don't forget it. Chennai, look. Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. Wow. Okay, now we are going to detail discuss about our Chennai. Chennai. We are going to detail discuss about Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Okay. Capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and it is the fourth largest city in India. It is the fourth largest city. Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. Don't forget it. Okay. And it is old, called earliest called Madras. Earliest called Madras. Chennai is located on southeast coast of India. Chennai is situated on southeast coast of India. Situated on southeast coast of India. Chennai is situated south east coast of India. South east coast of India. Chennai is situated on south east coast of India and facing the Bay of Bengal. Facing in the Bay of Bengal. Mumbai is facing in the Arabian Sea. Mumbai. Last class you study about it. Yes. Last class you study about it. Mumbai is situated facing in Arabian Sea and Chennai is facing the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Don't forget it. Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. The main offices of state government are located in Chennai. The main offices of state government. The main offices of state government. Look here. The main offices of state government located in Chennai. The main offices of the state government located in Chennai. Clear? Okay, the main office of the state government located in Chennai and the governor, the chief minister and other ministers. The governor, the chief ministers and other ministers of Tamil Nadu live in Chennai. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers live in Chennai. Chennai can be divided into two parts. The Chennai can be divided into two parts. Chennai can be divided into two parts. The old city known as Georgetown. The old city known as Georgetown lies in the northern part of the city. Georgetown lies in the northern part of the city. Okay, Georgetown. Two parts. One part Georgetown. That city located in the northern part of the city. Georgetown lies the northern part of the city. Its streets are busy and there are many offices. Cities are busy. Cities are busy. Many offices there. Georgetown. Georgetown lies in the northern part. Northern part. This old city. Here busiest place and many officers here. Many officers here located here. Okay. And there are many officers and Tamil Nadu state government are the secretariat building in Fort St. George. Next, Fort St. George. The main officers of Tamil Nadu. The main officers of Tamil Nadu, the state government are in the secretariat building in Fort St. George. The other part is located towards the south of Georgetown. Fort St. George. Fort St. George. Southern part. Southern part. Southern part of Georgetown. It is located southern part of Georgetown. Our Chennai is divided two part. Chennai is divided into two part. Georgetown, Fort St. George. This is the old part. This is lies the northern part. This is busiest place and many officers here. Many officers here. Another one, Fort St. George. The main officers of the state government of Tamil Nadu. Okay, the main officers of the state government of Tamil Nadu. Main officers of Tamil Nadu state government are secretariat buildings are located here. The other part south of Georgetown. This is the south of Georgetown. The main road Anna Salai runs through this part of city. The main road, okay, the main road Anna Salai through this part of the side. Which part? The main part. Here the Fort St. George. The main road passing through this way. Okay, clear? The main road of Tamil Nadu. The main road of Tamil Nadu, Anna Salai, that is passing through this part. St. George. Fort St. George. Two part, do you know? Two part. First part Georgetown, old. Then second part Fort St. George. The main officers of the state government located here. And this part lies the southern part. and the Georgetown lies the northern part. Clear? Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the climate of Chennai. Okay. Climate. Climate of Chennai. Already you study about the climate of Mumbai. Okay. Kolkata. Humid, hot in Kolkata, hot and humid. Okay. And Mumbai, warm and humid. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the climate of Chennai. Warm and humid. Here also warm and humid for most part of the year. Most part of the year, here the climate, yes, climate warm and humid. Warm and humid. Warm and humid most of the year, throughout the year, most of the year. Okay. And most of part of the year, the city enjoys pleasant sea breeze there. The cities enjoy the pleasant sea breeze there. Sea breezes throughout the year. Sea breezes throughout the year. Enjoy sea breezes. Sea breezes. Sea breezes throughout the year. Sea breezes throughout the year. They enjoy that climate. And Chennai receives rainfall. Chennai receives rainfall mostly between the months of October and December. The rainfall mostly between October and December. Rains October and December. October and December. Rains October and December. Sea breezes throughout the year and warm and humid here. They enjoy this climate. And these three sea breezes throughout the year. Follow. Everyone is follow the climate of Chennai? Yes. And next we are going to discuss about the food of Chennai. Rice is the main food of the people. Rice is the main food of the people. In Tamil Nadu people, Chennai people, rice is the main food. Rice. Rice is the main food of the Chennai people. And this is eaten with sambar, rasam and quad, idli, dosha, vada, upma. Already heard about it. We all in Kerala also use these food items. Do you know these food items? Yes. Do you like it? Yes, very good. Rice, sambar, rasam, quad, idli, dosha, vada and upma. Upma, idli and sambar, dosha, sambar. Wow, I like it. Do you? Yes, very good. and also popular food items. These are the popular food item in Chennai: rice, sambar, rasam, idli, dosha, upma, etc. Next, we are going to detail discuss about the festival of Tamil Nadu, harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Study about it. Yes. Pongal is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal. Pongal. Look here, Pongal. Harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal. Look these videos. Pongal. Like it? Wow, wonderful scene. Okay. Pongal is a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. One of the most important festival. This is the most important festival celebrated in Chennai. Most important festival celebrated in Chennai. It is celebrated in the month of January. The celebration lasts for 4 days. This Pongal celebrated 4 days. The month of January lasts 4 days. Okay. And Deepavali. Already you know Diwali? Yes. Deepavali is another major festival celebrated in Chennai. Look here, Deepavali. Wow, light. Okay. The festival of lights, Deepavali or Diwali. The Deepavali is the most important festival celebrated in Chennai. Other festivals celebrated include Eid and Christmas also. Eid. Look here, these videos, Eid. Okay. And look here, Christmas. That's also celebrated in Chennai. Tamil Nadu is the home of Bharatanatyam. Look here, Bharatanatyam. The video, Bharatanatyam. Wow. I like it. Do you? Yes. Look here, Bharatanatyam. Okay. Tamil Nadu is the home of Bharatanatyam, a famous classical dance. Dance form, famous classical dance form. And Chennai is famous for classic music, classic dance, and classic dance, and fine arts and weaving and designing cotton cloth, designing cotton clothes. And most people speak Tamil. Most people speak Tamil. However, English also widely spoken here. English also Tamil male language, and English also spoken here. English also speak here. Tamil is the male language. Tamil. Do you that language? Yeah. English is also widely spoken. People wear cotton clothes because of this their weather here. People wear cotton clothes here. Look here, Tamil people wear cotton clothes. People wear cotton clothes because of the weather of Tamil Nadu. The weather of, they use cotton clothes because the weather of Tamil Nadu. The traditional clothes include a veshti. The traditional clothes veshti. Look here, veshti. Traditional clothes. Veshti. And dhoti like garments. And shirt for men. Shirt for men. Men use shirt. And women use sari. Women use sari. Women, girls use half sari. Look, half sari. Half sari. Girls use half sari. Women use sari. Sari, half sari. Okay. However, people also wear shirts, trousers, salwar kameez, skirts and tops also. And here Tamil woman, Tamil women use trousers, skirt, tops, salwar kameez, etc. Trains are the important means of transport here. Trains are the important means of transport here. Don't forget it. Keep it in your mind. Trains are the main important means of transport in Chennai. Trains, look here, trains, different types of trains. These are the main important transport in Chennai. And so many major industries here, industries here. Important means metro rail system, industry. And main industries, railway coaches, cars, trucks are located here. Railway coaches, car, trucks are also located here. And Chennai is also a large film industries here, large film industry. Last day you study about in Maharashtra, large film industry, and here also a large film industry in Chennai. And hundreds of films are made every year. Hundreds of films are made every year. And Chennai is an important tourist place here. The main tourist attractions of Chennai, main tourist place attractions here. The beaches, Marine Beach. Okay. And Edward Elliot Beach, Marine Beach. Okay, next we are going to detail this. The Marine Beach is the second longest beach in the world. The Marine Beach. This is the longest beach in the world. Second longest beach in the world. Other places include Fort St. George. Already you study about the Fort St. George. Government Museum, and St. Thomas Church, Chennai Art Museum. Look, Chennai Art Museum. And Snake Park, Kabalishwarar temple, Parthasarathi temple. Wow. The temples are well known for the stone carvings and gopurams. Besides this, many amusement park here in Chennai. East Coast Road also here. Mamallapuram. Remember, Mamallapuram is a historic town, Mamallapuram town. And many tourist places, attractive places in Chennai. The Crocodile Bank. A reptile zoo, the reptile zoo, the reptile zoo. And it's also situated close to Chennai. It also situated close to Chennai. Okay, my dear students, I think everyone is follow my class. Our today class detail discuss about Chennai. I think everyone is follow. Now we are going to do our text work. Okay, ready? A work, true or false? True, false. A work. First one, Chennai gets rainfall in April. Rainfall in April, that answer is false. Number 2, the main dance form of Tamil Nadu is Kathakali. That answer is false. Third, Fort St. George is in Chennai. Fort St. George is in Chennai. That answer is true. Fourth, Chennai has a metro railway system. That answer is true. First one false, second one false, third one true, fourth one true. Then B work. Number 1, fill in the blanks. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Number 1, Tamil Nadu. Number 2, Chennai is located on the dash coast of India. Dash coast of India. South coast. Southeast. Southeast coast. Number 3, the old part of Chennai is known as, the old part of, two part, do you know, old part Georgetown. Fourth, dash is spoken by most people. Dash is spoken, what spoken there? The language Tamil. Okay, first one Tamil Nadu, second one South East, third one Georgetown, then fourth one Tamil. C work. Match. First one, Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam connected to C, a famous form of classical dance. First connected to C. Second, Bharatanatyam, the famous form of classical dance. Number 2, Fort St. George. Second connected to E. Answer is officers of Tamil Nadu state government. Officers of Tamil Nadu state government. Second connected to E. Third connected Mamallapuram. Mamallapuram, that connected to A historic town. A historic town. Number 4, Pongal. Fourth connected to F. A major harvest festival celebrated in Chennai. Then fourth connected F. Then fifth connected, fifth question, Anna Salai. Anna Salai. Fifth connected D. Answer, the main road that runs through parts of Chennai. The main road through parts of Chennai. Then fifth connected to D. Sixth connected question, Marina. Question, Marina. Answer, connected B, the second longest beach in the world. The second longest beach in the world. Sixth connected to B. First C, second E, third A, fourth F, fifth D, sixth B. Then question and answers D work. Question and answers. D. Why do people in Chennai wear cotton clothes? Why do people wear cotton clothes? The climate of Chennai is answer. Climate of Chennai is, the climate of Chennai is warm throughout the year. Warm throughout the year. Answer clear. Then second. First answer right. Second. What are the popular food item in Chennai? Food item. Popular food item. Popular food items in Chennai. Popular food item. Rice, sambar. Rice, sambar, rasam, quad, idli, dosha, vada, and upma. Okay, rice, sambar, rasam, quad, idli, dosha, vada, upma. Third question. Which is the main festival of Chennai when it is celebrated? When it is celebrated. Main festival of Chennai. Third. Main festival of Chennai. Main festival of Chennai, Pongal. And harvest festival celebrated harvest festival celebrated harvest festival celebrated 4 days in the 4 days in the month of January. January. 4 days. Okay, right? Fourth question. Fourth. Ready? Name some important industries in Chennai. Important industries in Chennai. Important industries in Chennai. Railway coaches. Coaches. cars, trucks. Trucks. Okay. Next, last question answer. Name some places of tourist interest in Chennai. Fifth, tourist places in Chennai. Tourist places in Chennai. Ready? Marina Beach. Tourist interest places in Chennai. Marina Beach. Fort St. George. Fort St. George. Government Museum. Museum. Government Museum. St. Thomas Church. St. Thomas Church. Chennai Art Museum. Chennai Art Museum. Art Museum. Snake Park. Parthasarathi Temple. Temple. Parthasarathi Kabalishwar Temple. Kabalishwara. Kabalishwara Temple. Marina Beach, Fort St. George, Government Museum, St. Thomas Church, Chennai Art Museum, Snake Park, Parthasarathi Temple and Kabalishwara Temple. Right. Okay, my dear students, I think everyone is follow my class. Okay, my class is finished. Thank you. Meet again.